We're celebrating International Women's Day with an event on women's creativity and art. We've got a variety of events going on. We have discussions of women's art that involves hands-on activities as well. We have displays on women's writing, also involves a hands-on element, in which our participants will have the chance to contribute to a collective poem that we're going to be writing. We have photography exhibitions on same-sex weddings, on murals, political murals and women's involvement in those. We're also going to have a music video on women in warfare and the tradition from military to civilian life, so we've got a lot going on. It's really important, women's art as a way of almost telling women's stories that have generally tended to be left out of history, and I know that's something that we're hoping to highlight with this event to sort of restore women's place in the artistic canon, if you like. It's not just kind of a very stead discussion of where you come and look at something other people have done and maybe you feel a little bit more highbrow because of it, but you haven't got a sense of, you know, your own connection to that art. So we're hoping people feel that they can be connected to the kind of art that's being produced as well.